So good morning everyone. So this is my this is my reading in Hebrew and parsing. So Numbers chapter 3 verses 40 to 43. So Wayomer. Wayomer is conjunctive wow, verb called consecutive, imperfect third person masculine singular. And the Yahweh.
Number 3, verse 40.
And Yahweh. Yahweh is noun, proper, masculine, singular. And and El is preposition. And Mose, the parse is noun, proper, masculine, singular. And
El Mose. Sakto ba?
and Pikud, the parse is
Pikhod.
verb, kal, imperative, masculine, singular. Kal, the parsing is noun, masculine, singular, construct. And Bikor, Bikor is noun, masculine, singular. Zakar, Zakar is noun, masculine, singular. Livni, Livni is preposition, noun, masculine, plural, construct. Yisrael, Yisrael, the parse is noun, proper, masculine, singular. And the translation is and said to Yahweh Moses number